I'm looking for a buy once, use forever replacement for my two main pens that I use. I currently use the Kaweco Sport, and I use that at home, and that's a fountain pen. And then I tend to use this Parker Jotter for work. So I'm looking for something that could maybe replace the two of these, and particularly to use for journaling. I'm looking for a nice pen that I'll feel good about using, and one that isn't too heavy, so one that's going to be good for EDC. So I've looked at two other alternatives, and this is the third one. So this is another Kaweco, and this time I've gone for one of the aluminium versions. If you can see this. So this is the silver version, and it's really quite light. Now I'm going to do a full review comparing it with the other pens. So this is just a quick look, and let's see, it comes with a cartridge. So this is blue. Now I usually use black, but let's just pop it in. So you can see the nib. So the nib is a F for fine. Maybe you'll see that. Yeah, so we can see that it writes pretty well. So that's just a quick look at it. I'll be doing a full review later. Let me know what you think. Do you have one of these already? Please leave a comment, and thanks for watching. So why not check out this video on EDC pens, or this playlist on pens and notebooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.